boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel, where I'm your host, Damien Dupee. If you could be so kind to subscribe, go ahead and like, and if you find anything epic wow, go ahead and drop me a comment. I will be glad to get back with you. Today we're going to be talking about 7 reasons why flipping vacant land is better than flipping houses, okay? I just want you to know that I have formed this opinion from experience, the hard way, okay? So, again, if it's your first time here, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. Appreciate your time, consideration. You are in the right place. This YouTube channel basically teaches people how to flip land, how to make money, how to store money, and how to invest money. That's basically it. So if you like stuff like that, you definitely are in the right place. Okay, so the number one thing why I feel that wholesaling land is better than wholesaling houses is because there's no tenants, okay? No tenants. Let me say that again. Tenants can be very challenging when it comes to trying to deliver a house vacant to your end buyer if you're wholesaling, okay? So tenants, a lot of the times, I've known from being in the business for a little while, a lot of times people do what we call cash for keys. So they offer the tenant a certain amount of money to move, but a lot of times tenants can be a headache. So that is numero why vacant land flipping is better than house. Number 2, there's no termites. Okay, no termites, no bugs, no nothing. It's just land. It's dirt. Okay, it's nothing there. So when you get into flipping houses and stuff like that, as the house age and progress, I mean, termites can definitely go ham on the wood. So I've seen a lot of termite damage through my years of wholesaling houses, and I know that I do not miss finding out that a house has termite damage, okay? Number 3, the third reason why I believe that flipping vacant land is better than flipping houses is because there is no payoffs, okay? Very few times have I had a seller has to have a payoff. And basically what a payoff is it's a mortgage on a property, and basically it's the amount that is needed to release the mortgage. That's basically what a payoff is. And 99% of the land that I flip has no payoffs. And that can slow down a transaction tremendously. Especially, if the person is in default, in arrears, I mean the whole 9. So you definitely, if you're thinking about flipping vacant land, I think you're in a great place because you don't have to worry about that ordering payoffs, third-party authorizations. That's basically when the seller has to authorize you to talk to the bank on their behalf or to request any documents, etc., etc. So that's another reason why I love flipping vacant land, for that reason itself. Okay, number 4. The 4th reason why I think vacant land flipping is better than flipping houses is because there is, in my opinion, less competition. Less people understand land. Less people understand the psychology of the seller. Less people just understand the process. They just don't know. That's why, as you can see, the housing market is super saturated. Institutional investors are buying houses up by the droves. I mean, you name it. So I really think that, this opportunity of flipping land, stuff that people had for forever and don't plan on doing anything with it, I think it's a great opportunity. I think it's the land of milk and honey. I think it's the best thing since sliced bread. Holla if you hear me, okay? Number 5, why I believe that flipping vacant land is better than flipping houses is because the sellers have very little emotional attachment to the land, okay? And if you ever flipped a house, and if it was a family house, meaning, grandma grew up there, uncle, everybody grew up as a family house. Some people are kind of emotionally attached to the property. And, it might take patience on your side, negotiation. I don't know. But you don't have that with land. It's not there, okay? So that's another thing why I think that it's a value add, and I'm glad I found it. I'll be honest, okay? Number 6, okay? The sixth thing why I think vacant land flipping is better than flipping houses is you have less paperwork, okay? With vacant land, it's very, very simple, and it's just a one-page contract that you use, and it's very simple. It's very easy. It's a straightforward process. You don't have to, put down there the legal description and all this other stuff. You just put down there the property ID number, the owner name, the terms, the address, and that's it. It's a wrap. Most residential, realtors, they use a 13-page contract, okay? And that's a lot of paperwork you got to do. You got to do the book and the lot and the block and the whole nine. So with land, it's easy peasy. It's simple. And number 7, okay, I was saving the best for last. And number 7 is that the opportunity, if you learn zoning, if you learn how to subdivide land, the opportunity is limitless. With houses, all you have is a house. That's it. You can renovate the house. You can, add curb appeal to the house. But with land, you can subdivide and make many more pieces of land. And that's why I love land. Hopefully you got excited about that. I'll just tell you from my personal experience, I'm typically, getting paid within 21 to 30 days from the time that I sign the contract. And that's because I sell cheaper lots and the buyers are liquid, meaning they're cash and they can close on them pretty quick. So, I don't know where you can put a property under contract. Let's just say, put it under contract for 45 days, assign it a day later, and receive your money within 3 weeks. I just don't know where you can do that at. With no money out of pocket. You don't have to put up any money, zero, zilch, nada, Nathaniel, okay? So that's my rant today on why vacant land flipping is better than wholesaling houses. I got a great opportunity for you. The link is in the description. I have a course, $9.97. It teaches you how to do what I do, how to break it down and how to get that bread, okay? And if you want a step-by-step guide, listen, yours truly will be honored to hold your hand and to partner with you and to walk with you and to help you during this process. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, go ahead and subscribe. There is some goodies in the description. Go ahead and check them out. Couple cheat sheets, PDFs, ebooks, I like looking out for the cookout. Okay. So thank you. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, go ahead and holler at me. My link is in the description. My email is in the description. Damien@creativelandsolutions.com. Make it a great day. And if you're not making money flipping land, holler at your boy.